Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lelit Elizabeth espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a lot of work as we had multiple leaks on the boiler. We had to replace a lot of the O-rings, a lot of the fittings of this machine. We had to replace the entire steamer valve assembly as well. We had to replace the vacuum, the safety valve of the machine as this was leaking quite a lot. We had to replace a lot of these elbow connections that are on the machine as well, and we had to do some other preventive maintenance in order to completely seal the boiler and not have any leaks inside the machine. We made sure that the machine was working properly as we had this case completely out, and we descaled the boilers, cleaned around the groove head, flushed it, and did a whole tune-up on the machine. So yes, we did quite a lot of work, but now the machine is stable, it's not leaking anywhere, it's doing perfectly fine, it's up to temperature, and now we're going to be testing with 1 shot of espresso. Now hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, 90 degrees, brand new gasket. We're going to use the double shot. Now we have not programmed these buttons at all. We have left them the way they are, so we don't know how much quantity is going to come out. As you can see, it has at least 10 seconds simple infusion. Nice steady stream coming out from the spouts. We can probably go a little finer with our coffee. Our grinder is the one that you see right there, and that coffee is a week old, so it's pretty oxidized and will not probably do any lot of crema, and probably needs to be grinded a bit finer. Even though we are using very, very old coffee, you can see nice foam forming on the top of that cup. I'm going to manually stop it right here as it's a little too long for a double shot. And as you can see, nice crema, great flow, no leaks coming out from the group head or anywhere around. Working the way it's supposed to. Hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out from the 1-2. And steam, as you can see as well, nice and strong, excellent pressure, working amazingly. And the most important thing, it's not leaking inside the machine. So there you have it, Elizabeth working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.